There's nothing quite like opening a grow tent and putting your face into a thundercloud of fungus gnats. It's their job to find a way in, and it's our job to run them off. Turns out a grow tent is next door to paradise for these little buggers. Here's a few mugshots of the little invaders. On the small side, and they do multiply rapidly. I've seen countless articles about using various chemical interventions, including hydrogen peroxide, but these methods can kill existing beneficial fungus and bacteria, so I fight insects with bacteria. The name of the bacteria is better seen than heard. I just refer to it as BTI. It's a part of nature and has been used for decades in backyard gardens as well as commercial agriculture. You can find it in all the usual retail channels. I use this particular brand and can report that these little superheroes get the job done. Sticky bug traps are also helpful, especially if the initial invasion force seems overwhelming. See you in the garden.
They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling.